Hi, welcome to Bikerheadz. I'm Ed Miles and this is the new for 2019 C4 Pro. So the C4 Pro. So this is the replacement for the 2017 helmet, the C4. When Schuberth brought the C4 out, it was a really daring design, didn't look like anything else on the market. And what they've done with the C4 Pro is they've really refined a lot of areas on this helmet. Huge amounts of changes. You can go and store and feel it, pick it up, touch it. Even though it looks the same from the exterior, it's completely different on the interior and the feel and every part of the helmet. So they've really listened to their customer base, really changed a lot of things about this helmet, really refined those areas that people see as important. So let's go through a few of those changes and also some of the features it's bringing over from the C4 that work so well. So, C4 Pro. Let's talk about the shell shape first. Obviously, you've still got a composite shell with a Lexan chin bar. So composite shell means you're getting all the benefits of the safety of the composite helmet, so it's going to absorb shock back better, it's going to crack easier, which means it can disperse energy better, not as much energy transfer to your skull, so you get your full composite shell. Maybe DFP processing, which is better for the environment than a bag system they used to use. Won't go too deep into it, potentially there's less wastage and it's more accurate, so you're getting a better quality shell every time than the old bag balloon system they used to use. Lexan chin bar is the strongest type polycarbonate you can buy in terms of helmet manufacture. So it's full Lexan chin bar, which means you're getting a good lineup. It's going to fit nice and comfortable around the chin and jaw area. That's the shell area. The shape itself, let's quickly go into that. So as you can see, the shell itself is very rounded off at the back. That's good if you have an accident, it means your helmet's going to glance off the ground. There's no jutting out bits to catch and make your head twist and get neck rotation. You have got some wings coming down the side. Now these are important. As you can see the shape here. As the air flows over the helmet, it's going to pull the area of turbulence further behind the helmet, which means you're going to get less lift. So they're very important on the side. They're not just aesthetic, they're there for a reason. They stop lift on the helmet. Come around to the front, huge visor on the front, as you had on the C4, massive vertical and massive horizontal. It's going to give you so much vision, it feels like you're riding an HD on a big screen television. It really is optical class 1 as well, so there's no distortions, so you're getting very high quality. What we've added on the inside, one of the changes, we've got a Pinlock 120, which is the highest grade Pinlock you can use, comes in the box with this helmet. It's got reinforced pins, much stronger than they were before, so again it's just giving you a little increase in quality all over the helmet. Turbulator is built into the top of the visor, just like on the C4. What happens with helmets is, when air comes through here, you're going to get whistling. With these turbulators, it stops that whistling, just a little detail. You probably can't see it very well on the video, but in this area here, you've got two reflective eyes. What that gives you is when you see it out from the front with the car's headlight, you're going to see two eyes shining back at you. The faces are recognised quicker than anything else, so it gives you the appearance of a face, which means car drivers are more likely to see you and more likely to see you more quickly. Coming down to the front, snap closed visor with city position. You've still got the on-off pop vent, really easy to use with a glove hand, simple, works every time. Refined the opening mechanism again, still got 360 lock, it doesn't open on impact ever, and it slides down and shuts perfectly in place every time, no effort at all. So it really is a much smoother operation, perfect system. Still got the quick release visor system as a C4. If I come back down to the bottom again just quickly, this is your open and close for the interior sun visor. So that's Australian Sunglasses approved interior sun visor, which is the hardest sunglass standard in the world. So that's going to give you really good optics on the sun visor. The opening mechanism back here, again hard to see on the video, there's a small swing tag here. If you just pull it over, it means it reduces the travel on the internal sun visor. You have got a 2-position sun visor as well. Coming back down to the inside, now this is where the real magic's happened on the C4 Pro. They've listened to the feedback from customers, what they wanted a more luxurious feel, less of a sports feel, more of a touring comfort feel. So when you get into stores and feel this, it feels like velvet on the inside of the helmet. It really is a beautiful fit. Nothing I felt like this on the market at the moment. You just run your hand on the inside, again hard to see on the video, but it's exceptionally comfortable. Try one of these on your local store, you won't be disappointed in the fit at all. It's going to fit most head shapes. Obviously it's fully removable, it's cool max, it's going to wick, it's going to do all the things you expect from a Schubert. The comfort levels massively increased. Changed the neck roll so it's much deeper, and they've changed the comfort padding around the neck as well, so it's a bit more plush, a bit more deep, and all these changes have resulted in a few things. First of all, the comfort and wow factor when you put it on your head. The second thing is just reduce the wind noise right down. So this is one of the quietest helmets Schuberth's ever made. They've really worked very hard on it being exceptionally quiet. Obviously they can't guarantee it on your height, your bike, your fairing, your screen. But for the majority of riders, this is going to be a quiet helmet. It's testing a wind tunnel for 1,000 hours. They really nailed it in terms of noise. Come back around to the front, you'll see the microphone's now positioned here. Slightly different position for the microphone, just going to pick up the sound a little bit better. Speakers are improved, they're recessed slightly more, so they're less in your ears. They're pushed back a bit further, slightly smaller. The cabling's been improved as well, so you're getting a slightly better cabling system. Running down the back, you can see the two sockets at the back. These are for the comms kit. If you've got a current C4 with a current C4 kit, that will fit into this helmet perfectly. You can move it straight over to it. There will be a new kit based on the Center 20S coming out soon, which will improve all the communications even more in your current kit. But as I say, your old kit will fit into this helmet if you've already got a Schubert C4 or an R2 with a kit in it. Spinning it back around to the back, we've got all these lovely new graphics. So really simple, plain graphics that just bring a touch of colour to the helmet. It's absolutely fantastic. They've kept the 5-year warranty. That's 2 years with 3 years extra when you register the helmet. So that's the Schubert C4 Pro. It's available now. Get into the shops, have a look at it. For any more information, go to Bikerheadz and subscribe and like below.